So market profile. Anytime you're trading, you want to know what market profile we are in on the daily time frame, especially. Okay. Once you're able to determine the daily profile or the market profile we are trading in, it can save you a lot of hassles, and you can know what to do before you sit in front of the screen. Okay, so what do I mean by that? The market doesn't go up in a straight line all the time, or it goes down in a straight line all the time. If you're in some form of a if you're in some form of a recession, then we can see a prolonged move to the downside. Yet it doesn't even go down straight like that. There are going to be some pullbacks. Okay, so understanding the profile of the market, the condition of the market, I should put it, will help you to understand the market and what to do. So mainly I look at 4 market profiles, 4 of them, to determine what we are doing on the daily, especially on the daily time frame. So the first one is expansion. Okay, are we expanding up? Elliott wave theorists or Elliott wave people will count it, let's say leg 1. Okay, so that's the expansion. So after expansion, there are 2 scenarios that can happen. So when price screams up, let's say it makes a leg, impulse leg, that's the expansion. Okay, but before this expansion, you should see a consolidation. Okay, so there's always some form of a consolidation before expansion. So consolidation begins everything. Everything begins with a consolidation. All right, because during consolidation, that's when the big boys are doing what? That's when they are buying when it expands to the upside. During the consolidation, that's when the big boys are buying. So once we move from the consolidation, price is gonna expand to the upside. So consolidation first, that's the first thing that happens, and then we have expansion. Or we can have a consolidation, okay, and then expansion. Could be up or down, doesn't matter. There is going to be an expansion, okay, and then after the expansion, we can go into another consolidation, or we go for a retracement. 2 things. After expansion, we can go into for a consolidation or a retracement. Yeah, so if you understand that we are in a consolidation, your job is to determine, okay, are we to expand up or are we to expand down? That's your job. Once you understand which part price should expand, then you wait for the expansion, or you wait for price to move outside the consolidation before you try to take a trade. Because if you try to predict the direction inside here, you will get killed. And trying to trade consolidation is hard. Okay, trading consolidation and during consolidation period is very hard. If you are not experienced, I wouldn't say trade when price is in a consolidation. Okay, if you're experienced, then you can obviously go in and look for specific things and trade during consolidation. But after consolidation, once price expands outside, it doesn't go in a straight line. It will take time to get to where price is going, especially if you're looking at this on the daily. If price is going to expand for 7 days, okay, the first day price will move outside. You've got 6 days more, so you don't have to be in the very first day when price moves outside. Okay, so after the expansion, price is going to go into some form of a consolidation, or it will just retrace. Okay, and then after retracement, price can go into a consolidation again to pick up more orders and then expand again. Okay, so that's what you see on the daily chart. We got consolidation, expansion, either consolidation or retracement, consolidation and then the expansion, or consolidation, retracement, or expansion. Okay, and then we have the other profile. So this is one, profile 1, or market condition 1. Market condition 2 will be expansion. Market condition 3 will be retracement, and then the last condition will be reversal. Okay, reversal. So once price gets to where it's going to go to, then we can see a reversal. That's another market profile. So we have 4. One is consolidation, that's where everything begins with. Then we have an expansion, and then after expansion we can go back to 1, which is another consolidation, and then retracement or consolidation to another expansion. And then once price has got to where it needs to get to, then we can expect some form of a reversal. Okay, so these are your market conditions. So the consolidation is where a lot of money is lost. When price is in the consolidation, we even smart money, we lose some trades in here, because when you're in this condition, it's very hard to predict where the market should go. Okay, if you are clever, you will not trade when we are in, not clever. If you don't want to force the market or force a trade, okay, you can sit on your hands once the market goes into consolidation and not do anything. And as soon as you see the expansion, you join and trade to that side. And then if you see a retracement, you can join the retracement. Okay, and then if it goes into another consolidation, you sit on your hands, and if you see expansion, you join the expansion again. And I'm going to show you what we've done with this, with euro yen. Okay, let's remove all this drawing, and then I'll show you what we did with it. So on euro yen, we did have, you might not see it, but this is a consolidation. Okay, even though there was a manipulation to the downside, we ran a high here, came down and ran a low, and then rejected. As soon as you see that, that's a consolidation, and then we expanded up. So this is when we started with doing what I'm doing. This is what we enjoyed. Okay, that's the expansion period. And then after the expansion, we went into what? Retracement. Okay, and then we enjoyed a bit of this retracement, and then after the retracement, price went into consolidation in here. Yeah, so in here it's a hard period to trade. Why? Because we are not moving anywhere. It looks like we are going up, but it doesn't go up as this is expansion, this is consolidation, and then after the consolidation we had another expansion. Okay, so we are in a phase of another expansion. Another one that we did enjoy was New Zealand Swiss. Okay, so New Zealand Swiss, we were in a consolidation in here. Price was taking highs, coming back down, taking lows, coming back up, taking highs, coming back down. That's consolidation. And then we had expansion, and then we had a retracement, and then after the retracement we went into what? Consolidation again. And all this in here That's a consolidation period. Okay, because price is not doing anything. And now we've had what? Expansion to the downside. And then a last example would be Cardian. Cardian, we did what? We did enjoy a long, which was a expansion. This was the consolidation period. Okay, we take out a high, we come back down, take out a low, we come back up. So that is a consolidation. And then we expanded, went into retracement, and then consolidation. Okay, so these are your I call it market profiles. And then for reversal, let's go into New Zealand yen. Okay, so we had a consolidation in here, price expanded up, retracement, consolidation, expansion, we went to take out this high, and after taking that high, price reversed, so we went into a reversal. Okay, so after taking out this high, price reversed. So reversal, with the reversal comes with the same market conditions. Sorry guys, I'm almost done. Okay, that's a retracement, I'm sorry, reversal, and that reversal begins a new trend. So with a new trend, we have expansion. Okay, after expansion, we can go into we had reversal, consolidation, and then we have another continuation to the downside, and we will expand, we continue to expand, and then price will go into either a consolidation or a retracement. Okay, so you need to be aware of this market conditions so that once we move into one of them, into a phase, we have reversal right in here. After taking out this high, reversal, retracement, expansion, consolidation, expansion, consolidation, reversal, retracement, consolidation, expansion, reversal, retracement, consolidation, expansion. So knowing which phase we are in will help you knowing which phase we are in will help you immensely to know what to do, because if you are in expansion, that's the best time to risk more. When you're in a retracement, you risk less. When we go into consolidation, you sit on your hands and not do anything, demo trade during this period. When we are expanding, you risk more. Reversal, you risk less, and then you wait for the new trend to begin, and then when the new trend begins, you can risk more, and then once we move into consolidation, you risk less or you sit on your hands. Okay, that's the importance of knowing which market condition we are in, so that will help you to know what to do or how to attack the market. All right.